Hello, Mr. Brown here, your science teacher. I make videos for all Wisconsin students, and today we're asking the question, what happens to food after you eat it? So gather the whole family. We're going to talk about the science of digestion. Your digestive tract is basically one long continuous tube starting at your mouth and ending at the anus. Another word for anus is, come on, you guys know what that is. Stop it. Digestion begins in the mouth. You have different teeth in your mouth designed for ripping, tearing, and chewing. While we're in the mouth, food is going to meet the first digestive juice called saliva, which will help to begin break down the food. Another word for saliva is spit. The food has been chewed and we're going to swallow it. It enters the esophagus, the food tube on its way down to the stomach. Here you can see a medical photo of what it looks like inside the esophagus. What's interesting is the esophagus will do a movement called peristalsis, a relaxing and contracting of muscles, which forces the food towards the stomach. And it doesn't need gravity. This will work standing up, lying down, or even upside down in the weightlessness of space, as these two astronauts are demonstrating. The food has reached the stomach. The stomach releases juices that are highly acidic. Luckily, the stomach is designed so these acidic juices do not burn a hole through the side of the stomach. Sometimes these juices will splash back up into the esophagus. This is called acid reflux or heartburn, and it really, really hurts. It would be great if someone would figure out a way to help this. Oh, wait, they have. All of these products are called antacids, and if you have a tummy ache, these might help make you feel better. Leaving the stomach, this is an important part of the digestive tract as we meet the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. These guys are going to contribute more digestive juices to try to break the food down, specifically the juice called bile. Bile has this light brownish yellowish color and it's designed to break down fats. Bile is also what gives feces its distinctive brown color. So the liver and gallbladder contribute bile, the pancreas contributes pancreatic juice. We've done just about everything we can to break this food down. And now we enter the small intestines. The small intestines are up to 23 feet long, and they're long for a reason. This is where we're going to absorb the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals into the bloodstream. Along the length of the small intestines are little projections called villi, and on top of them are even smaller projections called microvilli. All of this surface area is designed to absorb the nutrients from the food into the bloodstream. Hey, here's an interesting fact. Have you ever had an Italian sausage or bratwurst or breakfast sausage? You know that skin that holds the sausage together? Yeah, that's animal intestines. Yeah, I'm sorry I've ruined your childhood. Anyway, we've done all we can do to absorb the nutrients. It's time to push this food into the large intestines. The large intestines isn't about absorbing nutrients anymore. It's all about capturing any water out of this food before it leaves the body. Hey, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that you have your own little zoo of little creatures in your large intestine? These are different species of bacteria that live with you in your large intestine. You guys have a symbiotic relationship. Now, the food is going through the large intestines on its way out. We're not even going to call it food anymore. We're going to call it feces. What is feces? Well, it's mostly water, cholesterol, fats, fiber, some stuff that you just couldn't digest, and bacteria, some of it living, some of it dead. it's starting to make its way out of the body. Go ahead and find yourself a nice private spot in the backyard and get rid of that waste product. There you go. Nice job. Now turn around and take a look at it. Your feces should have a delightful brown color to it. Please contact your doctor if your feces comes out in any of these other colors. It could mean you have sickness, disease, or possibly cancer. Serious stuff. Wait a minute. Did one of you just toot? I heard that. Yeah, you did. Don't worry. Flatulence or farts are actually quite normal, and everybody does it. Hey, what about the blood? You know, the blood contains waste products too, and it needs to be cleaned. Enter your kidneys. Your kidneys are designed to clean the blood. Kidneys are really complex. Look at this medical diagram of all the stuff going on. But basically, the blood goes in and gets a cleaning. And the kidneys are so efficient at what they do. Sometimes they'll pull calcium out of the blood, which will form into little chunks called kidney stones. As you can tell by these photos, kidney stones are not pleasant and they really hurt. Let's take a microscopic view of these things. They are sharp and painful. Ouch. All right, the kidneys have been doing their work and producing a waste fluid known as urine. Urine is going to be stored in the bladder. All right, your bladder holds about 20 ounces of urine, as seen here in this Coca-Cola bottle. But wait till you get pregnant and you'll feel what it's like to have the baby pushing down on the bladder. That's going to create a sense of urgency. You know what? We gotta go. We've reached 20 ounces. We can't wait till the next quick trip. We need to pull the car over right now. There we go. Thank you. All right. All right, once we've dispelled our urine, let's take a closer look at it. Your urine should have a light yellow color. That's normal. It means you're hydrated. If you see your urine has a really dark, almost orange color, it means you're dehydrated. That's an easy fix. Just drink more water. Simple as that. What happens as you age if you lose control of your bladder? Fear not. They make adult-sized diapers available in any store. You know, actually, the astronauts wear diapers when they're on the launch pad waiting to get into space. As soon as they get into space, however, I'm sure they're going to want to clean up. Thanks for joining me today on the Science of Digestion. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.